subscribe the Kidzu channel and press the bell icon for more moral-based kid stories. Story name is John's Poultry Farm. John, a simpleton, found a gold coin on his way home. He sat by the river, dreaming of all the possibilities. I can buy a hen, sell eggs, and soon open my own poultry farm. John thought. His imagination ran wild. I'll sell chicken, have a cafe, and serve the best food. Even the king will visit. John's dreams were endless. Lost in his dreams, John fell asleep. In his sleep, he dropped the coin. A thief passing by stole it. John woke up, realizing he'd been robbed. Oh dear, what happened? What about my cafe? He lamented. John went home empty-handed, learning a valuable lesson.